Okay, I'm now standing in stage 2. This is Woolamai Rise. Behind me we've got our 2 ready homes in stage 2, which are under construction. We have got our single level 35 Woolamai Rise, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and we've also got 33 Woolamai Rise, which is a big split level, double story, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Both have absolutely smashing views across the bay. So come and take a walk with me through these homes to see the progress. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of our ready homes. Now I'm standing on the balcony of 33 Woolamai Rise. This stunning home has the most amazing views, as do many of the lots down here. Everything's coming along. This site is looking absolutely stunning. It is amazing down here. So please, if you've got a weekend, come down, take a look for yourself. It does not disappoint. Thank you.